Shirakawago, a hidden gem tucked away beyond the rolling hills of Japan. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its traditional gasozakuri farmhouses, with their steep thatched roofs resembling hands in prayer. As we explore the village, we are transported back in time to a world filled with traditional Japanese architecture, tranquil rivers, and stunning mountain vistas. The beauty of Shirakawago lies not only in its picturesque scenery but also in the preserved way of life that has been handed down through generations. These ancient farmhouses were built using a construction method called gasozakuri, where wooden beams are intricately intertwined without the use of nails. This technique enables the houses to withstand heavy snowfall during the winter months, adding to the charm and resilience of the village. As we wander the streets, we can't help but be mesmerized by the serenity that surrounds us. The pace of life here is slow and gentle, inviting us to slow down and immerse ourselves in the simplicity of rural Japan. One of the highlights of Shirakawago is observing the changing seasons. In spring, cherry blossoms paint the village in delicate pink hues, while autumn transforms it into a kaleidoscope of fiery reds and oranges. Each season offers a unique perspective, encapsulating the fleeting beauty of nature. For those seeking a deeper connection with the village, participating in traditional activities such as papermaking or weaving can provide a glimpse into the local way of life. These hands-on experiences allow us to appreciate the dedication and skill required to maintain the ancient traditions of Shirakawago. As we bid farewell to this enchanting village, we carry with us the memories of its hidden beauty and the warmth of its people. Shirakawago reminds us of the importance of embracing simplicity and preserving our cultural heritage.